Did you know you can create customizable text on Zazzle that shows multiple font styles and update all of them at once? Hey, it's Trevor. Zazzle has updated their design tool, and I'm also learning the new interface myself. So let's walk through this together step by step. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create customizable text that displays the same message in multiple fonts and update all of them automatically when the text is changed. For this demo, I will use a 4x4-inch custom cut vinyl sticker because it gives us a clean printable area to work with. Inside the design page, go to add a text box on the side menu. I will type something here. Click submit to add the text. Then go to fonts at the top and you will see all kinds of fonts you can select. I will pick the basket view font. Now go to styling options on the upper right and switch on make this a template object. Scroll down and you will see product page label and URL parameter name. You can rename the product page label if you like, but for this demo, we don't need to change anything here. Next, go to layers on the left and make sure the text layer is highlighted. On a PC, press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. I'll paste 2 copies so we now have 3 text layers. Then spread them across the printable area so we can clearly see each one. Now I will change the fonts for the 2 copies. For the second one, I will use the search bar to type in Pacifico for the font. And for the third one, I will go to the popular list and scroll down to find the one called Oswald. Now let's test how this works. I'll go to Edit on the left and type something new. Watch what happens. All 3 text layers update at the same time because they are linked as template objects. You can use these techniques in many types of designs. For example, birthday designs, wedding invitations, typography layouts, personalized gifts, and many more. This is a simple but powerful way to create more interactive designs on Zazzle without adding extra works. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when there are new updates on this channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.